Last time, we learned that heat can travel as a wave. And we are about to meet waves again in sound and in light. So today, one big question. What actually is a wave? Let us start with something you can try yourself. Take a long rope, hold one end, and give it a good flick. A wave zooms all the way down to the far end. It really looks like something is racing along the rope, doesn't it? But now, watch very, very closely. I have painted one little bit of the rope gold, so we can keep our eye on it. As the wave passes through it, what does that gold bit actually do? It only bobs up, and then down, and then up again. It never travels along the rope, not even a little. It stays in exactly the same place. So the wave is not stuff moving along. The wave is a moving shape, a pattern passing through the rope while the rope stays put. This solves a puzzle that has fooled almost everyone. Picture a little duck floating out on the sea. Wave after wave rolls past it, all heading toward the beach. So surely the duck should be carried along and washed up onto the shore, right? But it isn't. The duck just bobs up and down, staying in the very same spot all day long. And that proves it. The water is not traveling toward the beach. If it were, the duck would go with it. Only the wave is moving. Here is my very favorite example. Have you ever seen the wave that a big crowd does at a stadium? People stand up, throw their arms in the air, and sit down, one after another. And a great wave of movement races all the way around the stadium in just a few seconds. Now, did anybody actually run around the stadium? Of course not. Every single person stayed right in their own seat. They only stood up and sat down. The people stayed put, but the wave zoomed all the way round. That is exactly how every wave works. So if a wave does not carry any stuff along with it, what does it carry? It carries energy. Think about it. An ocean wave can lift a heavy boat or knock you off your feet. That takes energy. The wiggle passes that energy from one bit to the next, moving it across enormous distances. A wave is nature's clever way of sending energy from one place to another, without having to send any stuff along too. So hold on to these wonderful ideas. A wave is a moving pattern, not moving stuff. The stuff it passes through only wiggles and stays put. And what a wave really carries is energy. Now you know the secret of every wave there is. And here is the exciting part. Now that you understand waves, a whole world opens up. Because so many things you thought you knew are secretly waves. The next one is one you are using this very second, to hear my voice. Sound. Sound is a wave too. A wave rippling invisibly through the air, all the way to your ear. How can a wiggle in the air become music, and voices, and a clap of thunder? That is where we are going next time. See you there.